Hi everyone. We've put the sport back into our Sportster models. A category created by the venerable Sportster. Iconic design, authentic sound. These are bikes built for carving mountain roads, and blasting through city streets. 2023 Harley-Davidson Nightster. Classic style, nimble performance. Designed to inspire both new and experienced riders, the 2023 Nightster evolves the Sportster legacy into a nimble handling and confidence-inspiring ride. Feel out new roads. Rip through familiar ones. '23 Harley-Davidson Nightster Special. This new middleweight contender amplifies the Nightster motorcycle riding experience with a host of style, convenience and technology upgrades. Exhilarating performance is delivered by the Revolution Max 975T liquid-cooled V-twin engine, tuned to make tremendous torque at low RPM. To minimize overall motorcycle weight, the engine is integrated into the vehicle as the central member of the chassis. The 2023 Nightster Special is a thrilling new ride in a classic Sportster silhouette. Modern muscle. With different ride modes, adjust your attitude accordingly. '23 Harley-Davidson Sportster S. Sportster S is the first chapter of a whole new book of the Sportster saga. A legacy born in 1957 that outperformed the competition is now rebuilt to blow away the standards of today. Styling that screams performance. For the love of the sport. Thanks for watching.